Today I'm going to give a demo of disease prognosticator. So in this project, we have collected the data set of lung disease and heart disease. And training is done through the CNN convolutional neural network algorithm. After once training is done, we'll predict the output. When we upload the image, it will predict the output like which type of disease like that. So now we go for the code. Type ideally. Click on open. File. Open. Container. Mm. So this is the data set of heart disease data set. This is the lung disease data set. Training code. Click on run model. So here we mentioned about 10 till 10 iterations. The training process is continued. You can see the accuracy loss for each image. It will train the model. You can see the accuracy, validation accuracy loss, and validation loss. So this process is continued till epoch equals to 100. Once it is reached, the iteration will stop. So here you can see the graph of accuracy and epoch. So here epoch equals to 100. And based on 100, we will get the accuracy of training and validation accuracy. So this is the receiver operating characteristics graph. So this is the training is done for the data set of lung disease data set. Now we are going to train for heart disease data set. So this is the lung disease data set we are training. Before that, heart disease we are training. Once it is reached iteration 100, the training process will be end. So parallel for each image, it is displaying accuracy, validation accuracy loss, and also validation loss. So once it is completed, the process will stop. Here we will get the graph of accuracy and above for the lung disease data set. And then you will get the receiver operating characteristics graph. So we are getting the accuracy 98. Now we go for the testing code. So we take enter is used for creating the GI purpose and C2 is used for to read the images, display the images and also write the images. So before that we have to import the C2 library. And this is file dialog is used to select the image from the data set and matplotlib is used for to display the graph. And this is this for to load the images. We use this package. Upon run loader, so we can load the lung disease images. Select from this. Select any one of the image from the particular disease. Click on predict and see the type of diseases and also a pop-up message like patient has emergency. If the patient has this disease, then you get some pop-up message like patient has emergency. Now similarly, we click check for normal one. Select any one of the image from the normal. Click on predict. Says predicted image is normal and also parallel patient is normal. So we can check for heart disease. Click on this button. Select any one of the image from the particular disease. Click on predict. See predicted image is coronary artery. And also if the type of disease, the selected image is deceased, then you will get one pop-up message like patient has emergency. So now you can check for another input from the heart disease data set. Normal one you can check it. Comment one. You can't predict. Predicted image is normal. Also, if the predicted image is normal, then you will get the message like patient is normal.